We have seen that children are referred to as godlike, and as and when they grow into adults, their mind starts to get corrupted. What is the real reason behind it? Is it something to do with the human energy? Human energy, human beings, as they say, has this immense potential of an energy that resides within them. In India, it is also referred to as the Kundalini energy, which resides in the Mooladhara chakra, which is the base of the spine. श्री कृष्णा इन द भगवद गीता सेज कि एक इंसान के अंदर 3 अलग अलग किस्म के तत्व होते हैं। एक होता है रजस, एक होता है सतक, एक होता है तमस। रजस वो अच्छा तत्व होता है और तमस वो गलत तत्व होता है, मगर सतक वो होता है जो उनके बीच में चुनाव करता है। सतक इज द वन हु चूजेस। सो ह्यूमन बींग्स already have a potential and intellect who can make a choice for the human energy, either to make it flow upwards or downwards. With the natural tendency of the gravitational pull of the earth, everything flows downwards towards the center of the earth. With gravitation, the human energy also tends to flow downwards. And as and when the child progresses with age, the energy starts to flow downwards. That is why children are, when born, are godlike, and as and when they grow with age, they seem to be more corrupted in their minds. Is it the human energy that is flowing downwards with age? Don't we have the potential to make it start to flow upwards? Humans have a potential which is unlike any other animal. Animals have only one kind of potential, one form in which the energy tends to flow downwards. But humans have a choice. They can be better humans. You can be a Buddha or a Hitler. The choice is yours. All the spiritual practices in the world are designed to make your energy start to flow upwards. We have seen in the Indian temples, they use the tilak. They remind you that there is some concentrated energy which lies in between the 2 eyebrows. They bless you on the forehead, on the head, top of the skull. They also remind you that there is a particular channel. All the forms, all the practices, even to an extent when a fire is considered to be the only holy form in all the yajna. The reason is fire has a tendency to flow upwards. Fire is the only element that flows upward. It also reminds us that the human energy has to be practiced to make it flow upwards. But initially, what seems to be difficult gives better results. Considering all the delicious food that you want to eat are tempting in the beginning, but they end up into probably disturbed stomach or any other disorders. Whereas if you see the medicines, they might not taste good, but at the end of the day, they benefit you. Coal and diamond are made up of the same chemical element. It is the process that transforms them. Similarly, if human body is exposed to spiritual practices, there is a transformation that takes inside them. Your greed becomes surrender, your anger becomes compassion, and your life gets liberated.